guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. First question, I've been a Posher for a very short time and all of my reviews have been 5 stars, but 2 separate people gave lower star ratings due to poor fit. Even with that, the customer said fast shipping and beautiful product. How do you address that? I wouldn't. It's frustrating because every brand fits differently. One brand that comes to mind is Victoria's Secret. I sell a lot of Victoria's Secret and their sizing is so inconsistent. My kids are making so much noise today. I recently bought 2 pairs of joggers from their website, both size mediums. One fit me and one was way too small, but they were from the exact same like line. They were I don't remember what they were called, but they had like the pink logo on the side and they were the exact same thing, just different colors. And one of them fit me and one of them was way too small. Like my ass was like, girl, this ain't happening. Honestly, don't fret about ratings. The fact that something doesn't fit someone, like that's not your fault. If they were rating you based on, I don't know, like if you were rude to them or something, or, you know, something that you could control, then I would worry about it. But again, every brand is different with sizing and just, I wouldn't fret it. I wouldn't address it. It does suck that they're rating you and it's not your fault that it doesn't fit them. But honestly, like I don't fret about ratings. That's one of my like biggest tips to newer resellers is to not really focus on ratings, just focus on providing great customer service and good quality products. Okay, next question. Hey Vanessa, I want to say I'm stumped. I want to rebrand my Posh closet with brands I like and a more pretty aesthetic so I can be more motivated. But I want to get rid of everything I have first. I know I don't have bad items. I've literally been sending out offers that would only get me $1.96 because I want everything gone that bad. I tried a closing sale, but I only sold 4 items from that. I just want to get rid of everything at a decent price if it's worth it. Any ideas on what I can do? So just keep trying. You could try doing like a bundle sale, like a 3 for $15 type sale, you know, 5 for $25, something like that. But yeah, honestly, just because you're having a sale doesn't mean everyone's going to come flocking to your closet. Do the normal things, you know, make sure you're sharing your items a lot. But yeah, maybe try, bundling things. If somebody likes something, send them a message and say, hey, you know, I'm trying to, you know, rebrand my closet. You know, you can send me your best offer and I'll most likely accept it. And give it time too. Again, just because you're having a sale doesn't mean everyone's going to know about it and everyone's going to flock to your closet. Like, I feel like for me, at least, it takes like multiple times for me doing a sale for it to actually work. I can't just be like, okay, I'm having a big sale and it's going to be a huge success. Like, no, it's a lot of work. And sometimes I need to do it multiple times in order to see success. Next question, do you ever get full price sales? If so, how often? I do. In my spreadsheet, I do keep track of, like I don't really keep track of full price sales, but I know if something's sold at full price. Like there isn't like a section on my spreadsheet that says, this is how many full price sales you've made this month. You know, that'd be actually cool to keep track of. But I do know, again, I do know on my spreadsheet if something's sold at full price. But yes, I do get them. I would say that I get more sales from offers than full price sales for sure, but it does happen. Next question, are you still listing warm weather stuff now that it's getting colder? Does it even make sense? So I'm still listing like t-shirts, but not like shorts, bathing suits, you know, like dresses, some dresses if they're like sweater dresses. Okay, to answer your question, for the most part, no, I'm not still listing warm weather stuff. Does it make sense? I would say if there wasn't a pandemic going on right now, it does make sense because, you know, people travel all year round. They go to like warm climates and not every climate has the same weather at the same time. Like I live in New England. It's getting cold here, although the weather's gonna be weird this week. The high today is like 35 and the next week it's gonna be all in the 60s, which is crazy for November for New England. Not everyone lives in your climate. You know, there are people, I'm pretty sure down in Florida it's still warm, you know, in California it's still warm. For me personally, I have pulled almost all of my shorts from my closet, and like all of my, shorts, bathing suits, and like rompers and dresses too. But I've pulled all of them from my closet and I'm going to relist them in the springtime, like the tail end of winter. I'm just personally trying that out for myself just to see what happens. I don't know if I'm gonna have success with that or not. But when I'm sourcing now, when I go to the thrift stores, I'm not looking for tank tops, shorts. I'm looking for cold weather stuff. The last question, do you list items new without tags? Just had a case open up against me. The buyer said the item was not new without tags and they won the case, but the item was definitely new without tags. It was something I had purchased myself, taking the tags off and never worn. So in your case, if it's something that, yes, I've purchased myself, I took the tags off and I know I've never worn it, then yes, I will list it new without tags. But if it's something I bought at the thrift store and I think like, oh, it's in perfect condition, this is probably new without tags, I don't know, because I don't know for sure, you know. I do agree though, it is something that's hard to prove. Actually, I don't even know if I have any listings right now in my closet that are new without tags. I don't think I do, actually. But I have listed stuff new without tags before. But it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of a toss up because again, it's really hard to prove, you know, like how do you prove that? You can't. That is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.